Hello, and welcome to Hubgrass Meditation. Today I have a May the 4th be with you meditation for you. We all have had Star Wars in our lives for so long, and it brings so much joy to so many people. So I really want to focus on that today, just the love and the connection that it can bring so many. Today we'll be focusing on balance the most. We've seen through the Star Wars universe the constant struggle to bring balance to the Force. Sometimes it goes in the opposite direction than we plan to, sometimes it goes our way and then goes right back. That's life itself. It's never going to be a steady line, it's never going to be perfectly balanced. But today, just for 10 minutes, we're going to focus on bringing that balance into our day-to-day lives. So as always, find a comfortable position. You can be sitting, laying down, sitting up against a wall, in a chair, anything that's most comfortable to you as long as you're alert and you won't be falling asleep. If it's comfortable, you can close your eyes, but as always, if that's not available to you, you can just look downcast towards the ground or at the tip of your nose, as long as you're bringing your lens inwards. And we'll begin. So if it feels comfortable to do so, you can close your eyes. And today we'll begin by taking just a few deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. One last time, in through the nose and out through the mouth. Start to feel a little heavier in your seat. Relaxing the hips down deeper into the ground. Rolling those shoulders down, back, away from the ears. Releasing any tension in the jaw and unsticking your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Begin to relax all those micro movements around the eyes and release any tension in the forehead. During our meditation today, we'll be focusing on the mantra, I am one with the Force, and the Force is with me. So as you're breathing in through the nose, you can say to yourself, I am one with the Force. And as you exhale, you can say to yourself, and the Force is with me. I am one with the Force, and the Force is with me. I am one with the Force, and the Force is with me. And if your mind starts to wander, just bring yourself back to that phrase, I am one with the Force, and the Force is with me. Again, if your mind starts to wander, just bring yourself back to the mantra, I am one with the Force, and the Force is with me. Even if it feels silly sometimes, connecting with the Force or the universe or whatever you believe is a great way to recenter yourself. And again, if your mind starts to wander, just bring yourself back to the phrase, I am one with the Force, and the Force is with me. No matter which Star Wars trilogy or show you're familiar with, we all watch that constant struggle, fighting for the good or fighting off the bad. And in a way, that can feel a lot like life. There is plenty of good. There's also the not so great moments as well. And if we could strive to be a little more like Luke or Leia or Obi-Wan, even Ahsoka, Kanan, and Hera, we can choose to focus more on the light and balance out the dark a little more. And one way to focus on that balance is to center yourself. Again, moving back into the mantra of I am one with the Force, and the Force is with me. And again, when your mind wanders, as it will, just bring it back to the breath and the mantra, I am one with the Force, and the Force is with me. One of the most special things I love in the Star Wars universe is even the characters that aren't so connected with the Force, that aren't Jedi, still can find those ways to bring more balance to their lives and to fight for good. So in The Mandalorian, we see Din Djarin start out as a loner, and even though he may not be connected with the Force, he finds a reason to fight for the good and to look for the good in the universe. And again, if your mind begins to wander, just bring it back to your mantra. I am one with the Force, and the Force is with me. We'll begin to deepen our breath by inhaling deep into our relaxed belly and exhaling out through the mouth. Inhaling in through the nose all the way down into the belly, and exhaling out through the mouth all of that air. One last time, inhaling in through the nose, as you exhale out through the mouth, you can begin to open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today for our May the 4th Be With You meditation. I hope this helps you to bring a little bit more balance into your life and reminds you a little bit about what you love so much about the Star Wars universe. If you liked this meditation and would like to see more, please subscribe and follow, and I'll see you real soon.